Hello everybody, it's me Heather, and today I have an unboxing from BoxyCharm. This was gifted to me and I have, as usual, no idea what is inside. I always like to be surprised, so I avoid spoilers online. And let's see what we've got. BoxyCharm Planet Woman. So this is for the month of March, and they did kindly gift me this box, but I'm happy they also gave me an information card so we know what everything is and how much everything costs. And let's see what the value is. The BoxyCharm value is usually pretty good. Oh, okay, and here's also the announcement in case you guys haven't heard. BoxyCharm is actually merging with Ipsy under the Ipsy name. So that's pretty cool. Same price, same perks. Meet Beauty's new dream team. It's a match made in makeup heaven. So, oh, that's cool. So if you're already subscribed to BoxyCharm, so they're gonna move BoxyCharm over to Ipsy. So your login and payment method will still be the same as your BoxyCharm info. And if you're an Ipsy member, your login will still be your Ipsy info. Let's see. So now you get to choose 3 products. Your next build your box. Okay, so we're seeing how this works, but that's pretty interesting. So now every month you'll know exactly what you're going to get. Okay, it's a pretty neat merger, and both of these subscription boxes have really cool stuff. So let's just jump right in. All right, once again, we got more Dew of the Gods. Okay, I'm excited about that. So we've got, oh, actually, you know what? I have a small version of this. This is the full size. Let's see, we got some shrink wrap on here. This is Dew of the Gods. This is a skincare company. I have the under eye collagen patches from them, which are very nice. And they have this dry erase facial scrub. I actually have a small version of this from them. So now we've got the full size. So let's take a look at that. And this dry erase scrub is no joke. It's got squalane, it's got oat milk, and it's microdermabrasion. So you just apply this to cleanse dry skin, just a little pea-size amount, and you massage very gently. This is very effective, and you can use this, you know, a couple times a week. And of course rinse off. So very cool. Actually psyched to have a full size of that. This is good stuff. I do like it. All right, Dew of the Gods. And let's go ahead and see how much that is. That is $30. So BoxyCharm gives you 5 full-size items, and the worth of the box is usually a couple $100. Pretty cool. All right. Ooh, we got First Aid Beauty. This is the cleansing oil and makeup remover, and it's safe for sensitive skin. Ooh, this sounds good. Cleansing oil and makeup remover. Ooh, I'm looking forward to trying this. I always need to use a makeup remover, obviously, to get all my eye makeup off, foundation, all the other layers of makeup I put on. So, and this is $26. So we're already at $56. That's already the value of the box in just the first 2 items. This is not a brand that I'm familiar with. This is called Coalife or Colife. Not familiar. And it says it's a niacinamide booster. Coalife. Let's go ahead and take a look at this. It's got niacinamide, hyaluronic acid, aloe vera. It says it's an intense hydration boost. And this reduces the signs of aging. There we go. Very good. We like that. So how much is this? This is 1 fluid ounce, 30 milliliters. And is that shrink wrapped on there? It is. I was like, why can't I get it off? It is shrink wrapped on here. There we go. It's got a very milky looking texture. It actually kind of looks like milk inside the bottle. Very cool. All right, well, I'm always in need of a serum. It also says blemish control on here. Ooh. Okay. Looking forward to trying that. So this is Co-Life or Coa-Life. Sorry, I'm not sure how it's pronounced. And this is $35. Wow. That is no joke, $35. All right, we got 2 more items. So this is, this is Ace Beauty, and there you go, you get to see all kinds of reflections. This is the Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. Ultimate Sculpt Face Palette. And I actually have not used anything from Ace Beauty before. So let's see if we can get this out. Woo! Woo! Oh my God. Okay. Well, it was shrink wrapped. Very pretty rose gold packaging. I'm trying not to blind you guys with all the lighting. There went the dust cover. All right, we've got a mirror, but the mirror is covered. Very nice. Yeah, oh wow, look at that. Cool, so these are all cream formulations. So that's great for contouring, bronzing, adding depth and dimension to your face, adding warmth. This looks really cool. Ooh, I'm excited to try this actually. I can get good use out of this. So that's Ace Beauty. That's the face sculpting palette. Let me pick up what I dropped. Just put that right on my lap. And where did my information card go? There it is. So this is the Ultimate Face Sculpt Palette, and this is $42. Wow, great value this month. $42. All right, we got 1 item left. This is, okay, not a brand I'm familiar with. This is called Belle en Argent. Belle en Argent. So Argent, I think, is silver. Beautiful in silver. Is that the name of the brand? Sorry guys, French is not my forte, so I'm always learning. So it says it's a tinted lip balm, and it says the name of the color is At Hello Nude. At Hello Nude. So let's take a look. If I can get it out. Ooh. Oh my gosh, what is wrong with me today? Belle en Argent. Belle en Argent. And At Hello Nude. Okay, let's actually take a look at this. Love the purple packaging, very cool. And ooh. And it says it's a tinted lip balm, so let's take a look. Okay, that's a very, very, very sheer tint. But that's cool, it gives you a touch of color, and it's unscented. Actually, I'm looking forward to using that. All right. Great value this month. Belle en Argent, Ace Beauty. We got Co-Life. We got First Aid Beauty. And we've got Dew of the Gods. Feels. This is the Squalane and Oat Milk Dry Erase Facial Scrub. All right. Thank you so much for watching. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all that fun stuff. And thank you, BoxyCharm. And that's it. Thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.